on ratios. A ratio is a comparison of two quantities by division. Again, you might write it A to B, or A to B. They're all read the same way. One thing you have to remember when comparing two quantities with measurements, make sure they are the same units. So for example, if I gave you 15 inches to 1 foot and I want you to write it as a ratio, in fraction form, reduced. The one thing you want to do is change. I would change the 1 foot into inches. So how many inches are in 1 foot? 12. So instead, we're going to say this is 12 inches. All right, now as a fraction, the first number is our numerator, bottom number is, or second number is our denominator, and then let's reduce. What could you reduce both the 15 and the 12 by? 3. So divide by 3, and what would I end up with? Yes. 5 over 4. Now, here's the big thing. With a ratio, you have to leave it as a comparison of two numbers. So if you changed it to 1 and 1/4, I would say that's incorrect. It's no longer a ratio. The top right-hand corner says 12 baskets in 18 attempts. So again, let's write it as a fraction. A lot of times it's easier to reduce it that way. What can I reduce both the top and the bottom by? 6. So divide by 6, and what did you end up with? 2/3. Okay? Now, not only do I want this as written as a ratio, I also want somebody to be able to try to explain to me what this 2/3 would mean. What did you write?
I said you scored a basket 2/3 of the time.
True statement. I even wanted even more specific than that. Yes.
And then 2/3 of their attempts.
Okay, true. Also, I want even more than that.
You made 2 out of every 3 baskets you attempted.
Yes, you made 2 baskets out of every 3 attempts you made. So if you shot 3 times, typically you would make 2 baskets. And if you shot another 3 times, you would typically make another 2 baskets. Not that your ideas were incorrect. It's just even being more specific about what the 2 represents and what the 3 represents versus just saying 2/3 of the time.